Typhoon Mujigae made landfall this afternoon in the west of Guangdong province. Here in Hong Kong, the Observatory says it will shortly replace the strong wind signal number 3 with the standby signal number 1. At 7 p.m., Mujigae was estimated to be about 460 kilometers west of Hong Kong. It is forecast to move inland over western Guangdong and weaken gradually. Evelina Leung will first tell us about the havoc that Mujigae caused on the mainland.
Typhoon Mujigae made its presence felt in Hainan today as it closed in on the resort island. The typhoon's gusty winds whipped up powerful waves at sea. More than 20,000 fishing boats returned to port to escape the brunt of the storm. Scores of flights in and out of Hainan's main airport, located in the provincial capital of Haikou, were cancelled. Services of different forms of sea and land transportation were also suspended, including high-speed trains running between Haikou and the tourist center of Sanya. At around 4 p.m. today, Mujigae made landfall near Jiangjiang in the west of Guangdong province. Packing winds of up to 50 meters per second, the typhoon rattled residential buildings. The strong winds also blew down trees, paralyzed the city's transportation system, and cut off power and water supply in the area. High-speed railway services between Maoming and Jiangjiang have been suspended. 40,000 fishing boats in Shanwei, Guangdong, also returned to port. The local meteorological observatory warned that coastal areas in Guangdong and Guangxi will experience torrential rain. Evelina Leung, TVB News.
Meanwhile, the effect of Typhoon Mujigae continues to be felt here in Hong Kong. A tree blown down by strong winds caused disruptions to services on the East Rail line this morning, while some flights were also delayed. Owen Fung reports.
At around 8:30 this morning, a tree collapsed onto the overhead cables between Tai Po Market and Fanling stations on the East Rail line. The incident disrupted electricity supply to Fanling Station. MTR staff were at the scene to repair the damage. Train services between Hong Kong, Lo Wu and Lok Ma Chau were delayed. Some passengers said it took them half an hour to get on a train. Services returned to normal about 2 hours later. The effect of Typhoon Mujigae could also be felt at the airport. The airport authority says it has rescheduled all the flights today, while the number of flights it could handle dropped by 15%. Many passengers could be seen waiting at the departure hall. This woman says she's slightly worried about her flight and hopes the airline can make arrangements soon. This man, whose flight to Bangkok has been delayed by 2 hours, seems less bothered.
I'm sure that if there's a delay, they're doing it for safety reasons, right? So, I'd rather be late than to take a chance.
How do you spend this 2 hours?
Maybe grab a beer.
The strong wind signal number 3 continues to be in force, but the Hong Kong Observatory says it may replace it with the standby signal number 1 later tonight.
We can see that as Mujigae continued to move away from Hong Kong, winds over the territory has started to moderate this afternoon. However, we still have some occasional gale force winds over the offshore waters and on high ground. And when the local winds continue to subside tonight, the Hong Kong Observatory will consider issuing the standby signal number 1.
Looking ahead, the observatory says the bad weather is expected to continue over the next couple of days, but should improve by Wednesday. Owen Fung, TVB News.